Hi, I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to take a look at the file content type in Shopify's Online Store 2.0. From the Metafield definition screen, you'll see that I've already entered a name and description and chosen the file content type for this metafield. In this example, we've named the metafield Showcase Image 1 and described the content as the large image that appears at the top of the product story. The content type file allows your internal users to upload files from their computer to the product page. This can be used in a variety of ways. In this example, we're using it to upload an image to the product story, but it could also be used to upload supplementary files such as instructions or material data sheets. This is where the validation section comes in. In this example, we've set up this metafield to only accept image files since the file is actually going to be displayed on the product page. However, if you were going to use this metafield to upload supplementary documents, you would want to change this setting to allow all file types. Since we're happy with how our metafield is set up, we're going to click the Save button and navigate to the product page to see how this looks in the back end of Shopify. When we click into the metafield, a Select Image button will appear. Clicking the button will bring up a modal with a number of different options. In the modal, we can select an image that's previously been uploaded to our online store, or click the Upload Image button to open an Explorer window and choose a file from our computer. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you now know the basic functions of the file content type in Shopify's Online Store 2.0. To understand how to display metafields in the front end of Shopify, check out our video on adding metafield in Shopify's Online Store 2.0.